In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes in Google Slides. Speaker notes are a fantastic tool for keeping your presentations organized and helping you deliver your content effectively. They serve as a private checklist or script that supports you while speaking, without being visible to your audience. So let's dive into how to use them effectively. First things first, let's talk about accessing and showing your speaker notes. Begin by opening the Google Slides presentation you wish to work on. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll typically find an area labeled Click to Add Speaker Notes. This is your dedicated space for jotting down your notes. However, if you don't immediately see this section, don't worry, it might just be hidden. To reveal it, go to the View menu located at the top and select Show Speaker Notes. This action will make the Notes section visible and ready to use. Now that we've accessed our speaker notes area, let's explore how to add and edit notes for each of your slides. To begin, simply click inside the notes area of the slide you're working on. It's as easy as starting to type in a Word document. Just begin entering your notes, whether they are talking points, reminders, or key information you need during your presentation. Remember, each slide in your presentation has its own unique section for speaker notes. This allows you to tailor your thoughts and notes specifically for the content of each slide, ensuring that your presentation remains organized and coherent. Finally, when it comes time to present, you'll want to make the most of the speaker notes through the Presenter view. You can find this option under the View menu or by clicking the drop-down arrow next to Slideshow. By selecting Presenter view, you'll be able to split your screen into two sections. On one side, you will have the slide that your audience sees, and on the other side, you'll see your speaker notes. This view is incredibly beneficial because it allows you to privately refer to your notes while delivering your presentation, helping you stay on track and ensure you don't miss any key points. In conclusion, speaker notes in Google Slides are an invaluable tool for anyone looking to enhance their presentation skills. By effectively using this feature, you'll be better prepared, more organized, and able to deliver your presentation with greater confidence and clarity. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your presentations. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.